While at the 2019 New York International Auto Show, I talked to a number of automakers about their vehicles. I'm impressed that Jaguar went to great lengths to fully refresh the XE sedan, especially since the sedan market is softening. So here's the interview and a look at what Jaguar did to make XE more enticing.
20 model year XE represents a refresh, and typically a refresh would usually consist of redesigned bumpers, headlamps, tail lamps, which we all have on our new XE, but really the big change occurred on the interior. So we have extensive use of soft touch materials, which really elevate the luxury and refinement of the interior. The door casings have been completely redesigned. We introduced aluminum finished speaker grills, as well as wood trim on both front and rear doors. Yeah, it doesn't stop there. We also have completely redesigned seats, and the entire center console has been redesigned. We introduced our InControl Touch Pro Duo system, which features two 10-inch screens, the upper for your navigation, audio, entertainment, the lower screen, which can also give you access to your entertainment, but manages the climate controls. Another big change is we adopted a pistol-style shifter, more sportier, and gave up on the rotary selector. So what we wanted to do is really make the XE the best product in its segment, and in order to do that, those were the areas of attention that we wanted to focus on. But it didn't just stop with the overall interior. We added significant additional technology into the car. Some neat features that we have are smart settings, which the vehicle actually creates a profile for the driver. It recognizes your regular commutes and can even suggest alternative routes that are pre-calculated if there's a quicker way to get there. If you got into the car every evening after work and put on your heated seat, it learns that and will automatically do that. So it's almost artificial intelligence to help reduce stress on the driver. So it recognizes the radio stations that you use. So in the morning, you might be listening to a news channel, and in the evening, you could possibly be listening to classic rock, which it'll already pre-select that. If you are making phone calls at a regular time, calling home on your way home, it can pre-select that for you as well. So it really does learn and create a driver profile. We had 4 powertrains. We tried to simplify that, and we have a very simple lineup for 2020. We have a 250 PS engine as well as a 350 PS engine. The 250 is available in rear wheel and all-wheel drive configuration. The 300 comes all-wheel drive only. So very simplified lineup for 2020. And what we also did is we wanted to improve that value story. So we put a ton of equipment in as standard. Some features, leather interior is standard. We have adaptive headlamps, which will automatically put the high beams on when there's no traffic coming in the other way. So some nice features all became standard with 2020. Overall feature value is about $6,000, and we increased the price only $3,000. So huge value there, and the starting price is $39,900.